With few lines of HTML code, you can deliver any account's tweets to your website. See, embedding timelines are interactive, enabling visitors to reply, retweet, or maybe follow your account from your website could help you connect better with your audience. You need to open this website publish.twitter.com in any of your favorite browsers. Once you do so, you would be reaching to this particular page of Twitter, where Twitter is asking you what would you like to embed. Suppose I want to bring the complete timeline of my Twitter account onto my website. So what I would be doing, I would be opening my Twitter account. Now I would be clicking on my profile section in the navigation bar. Once I would be clicking over it, I would be copying my complete URL, which is now appearing in my browser window, like this: https://twitter.com/the Rahul DM. If you are aware about your profile URL, which is generally twitter.com and slash whatsoever username you have kept for your Twitter, you can simply put it over there and click on this arrow button. Once you would be doing it, Twitter would be asking you about two things. Do you want to embed the timeline, or you want a Twitter button to be embedded? For the sake of this demonstration, I am going to embed a timeline. So this is how my timeline would be embedded onto the website wherever I want to put it. So I'll click on this copy code button, and the code has been copied. Now let me show you a blank website. This is a blank website which I am using for this demonstration purpose. So, or suppose I have a Twitter account where I tell people how you can take care of your pets, and different kind of videos are uploaded by me, or different kind of content is shared by me, which pet owners can read to properly groom their pets. So what I'll do, as this website is being created in Weebly, so I would be going to the Weebly editor, and wheresoever, on whichever page, on whichever section of the website I want to put this timeline, I would be dragging this option of embed code there. Suppose I just want to bring this complete timeline of mine below this text of how to take care of your pets. So I would click over the embed code option, edit custom HTML, and I'll paste the code which I have copied from publish.twitter.com. Click outside, so button has changed, tweets by the Rahul DM. I would click on publish the website. Whatsoever you have done on your website, just save it. Once you have republished it, simply just go to your website and refresh, or open your website again after closing it. You would find that all your tweets would become visible on your website's page. This is a way through which you can bring your complete timeline over here. Now if somebody wants to interact with you, they can simply click on this tweet, and they would be going into the Twitter, and they can react to the tweet in the form of retweets or something. As I have clicked on this tweet and my account was already open, so it has brought me back to my Twitter account where this tweet was posted. So this is how your audience would be able to interact with you on Twitter through your website also. And whenever you would be making new tweets, by default those tweets would be appearing at the top of your tweets list. So daily updating in the tweets would be updated here also. Suppose rather than timeline, you just want to take a single tweet to your website. Reasons could be many for this. Just for the sake of giving you an example, I'm just clicking on my profile, and I am going to any one of the old tweets which had been made by me in the past. So randomly, I suppose I select this particular tweet in which I have actually tweeted a picture. So if this is the tweet I want to bring to my website, I would be just going to this downward arrow section in this tweet, this button over here, and I would click over it. I would be choosing the option of embed tweet, and this would be taking me to the same website, that is publish.twitter.com. HTML code has been provided to me. I can simply copy this code, and this is how the tweet would look like. So a preview is also provided. I am going to my Weebly. For this demonstration, maybe I want tweet to appear over here on the left side of the page below how to take care of your pets. I'll simply click over here and I'll click on edit custom HTML after putting the embed code. I have pasted my code over here. I'll click outside and I would click on publish. Let me open my website. Once the website would be opening, you would find that the tweet had started to appear where I have inserted it in my HTML code, or on the page where I have inserted it. So this is a very simple process of bringing your tweets, maybe a timeline or a single tweet, to your website. Thank you so much. If you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up.